Right? Amore.
See?
Where are we going today?
We are taking the train and going to Cagliari.
Nice. And when we get to Cagliari, what are we going to do?
We're gonna first wander around the city, enjoying the lights and the nice weather. And for dinner, then we're gonna go to Framento Pizzeria.
Oh, yeah. So, where are we?
We are on top of Bastione Serrani, which is an historical landmark of Cagliari, and it's pretty amazing because from the top here you can have a 360 view of Cagliari in this surrounding area.
The views are absolutely amazing, to be fair.
They are amazing.
And the stairs coming up here certainly work up an appetite for some pizza.
Certainly do. So, amore, what are we waiting for here?
Io fame!
Andiamo!
Amore,
See?
I cannot wait to try this place. Framento Pizzeria.
E qui la festa, ragazzi, e qui la festa, pizzeria. Super top.
We've been building up on this, we've been talking about since before we came here.
See, Amore, it looks amazing. Sardinian inspired pizza.
Yeah. It's different.
See?
I'm not sure I'm ready.
I reckon you're ready. I mean, like 2 years in a row in the top 50 pizzerias in the world. Ranked as high as number 30.
That gives you enough comfort.
Andiamo.
Andiamo.
Amore mio,
See?
we are in Framento Pizzeria in Cagliari.
See.
What's your first thoughts?
I'm quite impressed. The buzz that's around the place is amazing, and I don't know, it feels like going back 20 years when I was back in college. That helps. Anyway, just having a peruse at the menu, and it sounds interesting so far.
Okay.
A few pizzas I want to ever try. So. Oh, we do have the specials.
Speciality
Sì.
pizza. What is there any speciality pizza that you're leaning towards?
We got evergreen, so fresh mozzarella cheese with mortadella, lettuce, and pistachio cream.
Lettuce and pistachio?
Could be interesting.
Very interesting.
See.
Well,
Then we have mozzarella, tuna, fish batarga, lettuce, and tomatoes.
okay.
Then we have the pizza seada. Yeah, it's fior di latte, pecorino cheese, honey, and lemon. You remember the dessert with the cheese that is kind of like a big ravioli with the cheese that you put the honey on top?
See.
That's the idea behind this pizza.
Okay. I'm sold on that one. We get 3? Like, one each and one to try. And we eat from them all. We'll see how we do.
Maybe? Ci siamo.
Prego.
Allora, una porzione di frittelle di nonno Giovanni, poi un evergreen, una tonno d'oro e una pizza seada. E poi se ci porti una bottiglia di Desea.
Pizzeria, giusto?
Sì,
A posto?
questo. Grazie.
Grazie a voi.
So, what did we order?
So we did order some croquettes first, frittelle di nonno Giovanni. Then we go at 3 different pizzas.
Oh, yeah.
Everything is gonna come out one at a time, so we have a chance to taste and then move on to the next one.
have some food. What do we have?
Do we have what is frittelle di nonno Giovanni?
Okay.
Like nonno Giovanni's croquettes. I don't know what I was expecting. Certainly not this.
Ooh. It looks pretty interesting.
It does. So, let's dig in and see what it is. Buon appetito.
Is it nice?
It is nice. See, like sweet oniony flavor.
Okay.
Very good.
Yeah, we've got the dinner. Let's eat. Please, please. A moment to reflect. Okay.
What do you think?
I don't know what I was expecting, but it looks amazing.
See it flying
Yeah.
like this.
Probably was expecting like a little squirt of pistachio cream. It looks like a healthy amount. Let me get a second one. The pizza dough is nice. It's at the same time soft and crunchy. And then you get the kind of salty from the mozzarella stracciatella. The nice soft mortadella and the pistachio cream. It's all combined together. It's delicious.
One of the best pizza crusts I've ever eaten. That's amazing.
It's crunchy and soft. You can see the bubbles of the bread. Yeah.
Incredible.
I had to try the pistachio on its own, and it does taste like they just ground the pistachio until it kind of went into buttery consistency and not much else. It's amazing.
Talk us through what she said.
Oh, sorry, I thought you were gonna do it. So we have a white base again, no tomato sauce, and it's a mozzarella, again with some iceberg lettuce and a little lemony gel vinaigrette to give a bit more freshness. Then we have the tuna botarga from Sant'Antioco. Then some stracciatella mozzarella from Puglia. And some sauteed mushrooms.
Sauteed mushrooms?
Yeah, sorry, sauteed tomatoes. Okay, there's no nice ways to do this, so...
Thoughts, impressions, feelings?
Oh, it's actually mind-blowing, amore.
Mind-blowing?
See? Like, the actual pizza dough, you don't really taste it.
Okay.
Because the toppings are taking the center of the show. There's the lemon and the olive oil that kicks in like, right to your face. Then the sweetness and the coldness of the mozzarella. And then the sharpness of the tuna fish roe. It's right to your face. It's amazing. It feels quite light. I'm gonna probably go through this whole pizza.
So this was your choice of the three. I'll be honest, it's not something that looked that appealing to me, even though I do love Batarga. But that was amazing.
Yeah, this tuna Batarga is darker and quite stronger compared to the mullet one. So
See, the lemon really cuts through. It's delicious. The tomato, the pomodoro, like sweet. Everything complemented each other.
yeah, like I said, it's weird to say for a pizza, but it does taste refreshing.
See, amor. Oh wow.
Thank you so much.
Grazie.
Yeah. See, we have pizza number 3 here. It's pizza seada. And seada is a typical dessert from here, kind of a ravioli stuffed with fresh cheese, orange zest, and then you serve it with the drizzle of honey. And the pizza here you have the cheese, a base of cheese, then some lemon, and then I can see, sorry, some honey, and then I can see some lemon zest and orange zest.
Buon appetito.
Is it good? You can see from your face. Oh.
I'm alright.
See?
It's just like the thing
The
put
thing.
on a pizza crust.
Oh.
It's incredible.
Do you taste a lot of honey?
Poco, just enough. I'm alright. That's one of the best slices of pizza. Possibly the best slice of pizza I've ever put in my mouth.
Oh, no.
See, I'm alright.
I shall have to try it.
First. Ready? Right? Like, tell me that's not one of the best things you've ever eaten.
Just amazing. It's like eating an open seada with a very gentle touch of honey. Yeah, it's great. And then the citrusy flavors that just come through. It's amazing.
Devo verificare.
Is that for time? Amore.
See,
Somehow we made it back to the hotel.
we did.
Despite carrying an extra body's worth of pizza.
We defeated the pizzas.
See,
We won.
I would say arguably the best pizza I've ever eaten in my life, especially the last one,
Seada.
the Seada pizza. Sweet Jesus. It was, what was your favourite?
the tonodoro with the fish roe. Yes.
Oh, okay.
They were like all three of them were amazing. Like the combination of flavors were like, genius. Not too much, but just you get the great kick and like from all of them. And dough was something incredible. You could feel that it's been proven for days, probably. But
The dough, the crust,
yeah,
phenomenal.
light, fluffy, and crunchy. I don't even know what to do to it, but
The tonodoro pizza was the most surprising for me because whilst I do love Batarga, the combination of the flavours is not something I would just naturally veer to, but it was light, refreshing, punchy.
they complemented each other. Yes,
See, but for me the winner is the
it's the other one. Yeah.
See. How do we wrap up?
Great pizza, great spot. Staff was amazing. Guys, if you're in the area, just go there. It's in Cagliari.
Framento Pizzeria. La bomba.
And now, good night, good sleep. Bye.
Ciao. Buonanotte. What are those?
They're called pizza crusts
Why are they not in your tummy?
because we had 3 pizzas between the 2 of us.
Yeah.
Well, it's just been efficient, you know. You're in the inside and the fillings.
What?
Are you bringing us home
Why?
some a bit tipsy already?
Um.
They have wine.
Oh, thank God.